Most people believe that investing is something reserved for the wealthy, that you need thousands of dollars sitting in a bank account before you can even think about growing your money. That belief has kept millions of people on the financial sidelines for years, watching others build wealth while they wait for the right time to start. The truth is, the biggest barrier to investing is not money. It is mindset. The idea that you need a large sum to begin is one of the most damaging financial myths of our generation. Today, that myth ends. You are going to learn exactly how to start investing with $0 in your pocket, using a step-by-step process that is practical, realistic, and built for real people living real lives. Before diving into the steps, it is important to reframe what investing actually means. Most people picture stock markets, trading floors, and complicated financial instruments. But at its core, investing simply means putting your resources, time, energy, or money into something that will grow in value over time. When you are starting with $0, your most powerful investment is in yourself. Learning a new skill, earning a certification, or improving your professional value can generate returns that far exceed anything the stock market offers in the short term. A single skill upgrade can translate into a raise, a promotion, or an entirely new income stream. That is your first investment, and it costs nothing but effort. The first real step is understanding exactly where you stand financially. You cannot build a road without knowing your starting point. Write down every source of income you currently have, no matter how small. Then list every expense: rent, subscriptions, food, transportation, and anything else money leaves your account for. Most people are genuinely shocked when they do this exercise. Hidden expenses appear everywhere. A streaming service here, an unused gym membership there. These small leaks add up to hundreds of dollars every single month. Once you identify them, you have found your first investment capital. Cutting just $30 a month from unnecessary spending gives you $360 a year to invest. That is not nothing. That is a starting point. Once you have identified where money is leaking, the next step is redirecting even the smallest amounts into a dedicated savings pocket. Apps like Acorns, Chime, and Capital allow you to automate micro-savings, rounding up purchases and setting aside spare change automatically. Some of these platforms require zero minimum balance to open an account. The psychological power of this step cannot be overstated. When saving becomes automatic, you stop feeling the loss. Over time, these micro-deposits accumulate into real, investable capital. Even saving $5 a week builds a habit more valuable than the money itself, because habits compound just like interest does. Here is where things get genuinely exciting. If your employer offers a 401k plan with any kind of matching contribution, that is free money sitting on the table. Even contributing 1% of your paycheck to capture the full employer match is an instant 100% return on that portion of your investment. No stock, no bond, and no cryptocurrency can guarantee that kind of immediate return. If you are self-employed or your employer does not offer a retirement plan, look into opening a Roth individual retirement account. Many brokerages, including Fidelity and Charles Schwab, now offer Roth individual retirement accounts with zero minimum deposit requirements. You can open an account today with absolutely nothing and begin contributing as soon as money becomes available. The rise of fractional share investing has completely removed the financial barrier to owning stocks. Platforms like Robinhood, Public, and SoFi allow you to purchase a fraction of a single share for as little as $1. This means you can own a piece of companies like Apple, Amazon, or Tesla without needing hundreds or thousands of dollars. Start small, stay consistent, and focus on index funds or exchange-traded funds rather than individual stocks. These diversified investment vehicles spread your risk across dozens or hundreds of companies, giving you broad market exposure without requiring expert knowledge or constant monitoring. The most powerful force in personal finance is compound interest, and it rewards time above everything else. Someone who invests $50 a month starting at age 25 will almost always outperform someone who invests $500 a month starting at age 45. Time in the market consistently beats timing the market, and it certainly beats waiting until you feel financially ready. Every single day you delay is a day of potential growth lost forever. The steps outlined here are not theoretical. They are actionable starting today, regardless of your current bank balance. $0 is not a dead end. It is a starting line. The only question now is whether you are ready to take the first step.